Hello again, Michael Friedrich here from beautiful North Carolina, and I have some good news for you. I have a giveaway, 3 giveaways in fact, 3 complete sets. Razor, brush, soap, blades. Anybody's welcome to enter. I will ship this anywhere in the world, no restrictions. All you need to do to enter is simply post a comment against this video that you are in and want to be considered, and you are in. This contest or this PIF giveaway will be open until Wednesday the 20th. I'll probably close it sometime like 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Not too hard of a limit, but please go ahead and enter now if you wish to be considered. Again, all you need to do to enter for any one of these 3 complete kits is simply post a comment against this video. I look forward to seeing y'all there, and good luck everybody. Bye-bye.